Good morning, Wildcats. A few announcements today. First of all, today is Thursday, October 15th. So you will zoom into and attend periods 1, 3, 5, and 7. Period 5 is on the docket, Wildcats, so make sure you attend your advisory if you're a 7th or 8th grader. Remember your A-B day rotations. There's a few people still struggling with that. A-day classes meet the first 30 minutes. B-day classes meet the last 30 minutes of the assigned period. Starting next week, we're going to change our schedule, right? And so bus ridership will require that you bring a student ID. Students, we're doing that for your safety and so that we can contact trace. So next week, we start with Monday the 19th with our red group. It will be an A day. We'll have a full day. School will go from 8:50 to 3:35, periods 1 through 8. The yellow group will be here Tuesday. And then Wednesday will be intervention and teacher office hour time in the mornings. It's very important that we are careful with masks when we resume next week. You see the North Dakota COVID numbers. We have to take care of each other and protect each other, and masks and social distancing are the best ways that we can do that. We can control the mask piece 100%, and students, we're asking for your total compliance and cooperation with this. First of all, we ask that you don't wear a gaiter or a face shield. In fact, face shields are not going to count as masks at Fargo schools. Try to wear a mask with 2 or more layers. That will stop respiration better. Wear a mask that covers both your nose and your chin. All the way above your nose, all the way below your chin. We're not going to wear our masks below our nose when we come back to school. And we're not going to wear masks with the little holes in them, the little respirators in them. They just let more air in or out. And maybe save those N95s for our healthcare workers. You wouldn't need to wear those to school. Some announcements. Congratulations to Fargo North's girls cross country. They won their first conference title in school history. Way to go, girls. That's fantastic. Coming in 12th in the conference, Leah Hoffman, and in 14th, Grace Thiel. Congratulations, ladies. That is awesome. The JD division had several top 10 finishers also. They also won the conference title. Olivia Hammes, Macy McShane, Ainsley Ness, and Grace Anderson. Congratulations, ladies. That is fantastic. We're proud of you. If you have an overdue library book starting October 19th, bring it in. We'll feed you. We'll give you a Jolly Rancher. We'll give you candy for returning your library books. We have over 472 books still out. Multiple textbooks still out. We've reminded students, parents, help kids dig under their beds, in their rooms. Take a look around, but you start bringing them back here in November, we're going to give you a Jolly Rancher for your efforts. Let's get those library books turned in, everybody. Finally, some words of wisdom. Pearl S. Buck, famous, most famous as a writer. She won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the 1930s. She was a tireless worker for children also, especially kids without parents or kids who had mental challenges. This is her quote. This is her quote. The test of a civilization is the way it cares for its helpless members. Wildcats, let's add value today by being respectful, responsible, having a growth mindset, being safe, and looking out for others that don't have it as good as us. Let's take care of each other, Wildcats. Have a great day.